For this super simple workout, you're going to need one kettlebell, small to medium, and if you're using a band for push-ups, go and grab your band for push-ups. Starting at the end of our mat, we're going to reach up, big deep breath in, and roll down, keeping the knees slightly soft. Feel that stretch at the back of your legs. Reach up and roll down. Nice long deep breaths as you go. One more, reach up, inhale and roll down. So soften the knees, hands down to the mat. Bend your knees more if you need to. Walk the hands out halfway across. We're just gonna walk the feet up and down, stretching the ankles. And then walk the hands forward, knees down to the mat. Flatten the feet down so they're nice and relaxed. Sit back on your heels. Come forward, stretch those hips out. And back. And forward, we'll just do this one a few times. Two more. And one more. Good, hold it there for a few seconds. And coming back to all fours, we're gonna take right foot forward, hands down inside of the feet, tucking the back toe under, float that knee up. Think about pushing through the hip nice and gently, ease the hip down, and then move backwards and forwards. So just getting some movement in this position, maybe rounding little circles and round the other way. Good, knee down, elbow down towards the floor and fingertips up. Don't worry if you can't get to the floor. We'll do 3 more of these. One more. All right, change sides. Left foot forward, hands down inside the foot, tucking the back toe under, float the knee up, pushing down through the hip nice and gently first of all. And then moving backwards and forwards. Just getting some movement in those hips. Round in circles maybe. Whatever feels good. Knee comes down, elbow to the floor, and up. One more of these. Good, all right. Take that foot back, hands underneath the shoulders, tucking the toes under, lift the hips up to the ceiling, pull the heels down, stretching out the back of those legs, walk hands into feet, rolling up, ready for the workout. Okay, finishing off with a nice little cool down. Let's come back to the ends of our mat. Reaching up again, nice big deep breath in. And exhale as you roll down towards the floor. Hold it there for a few seconds. Softening the knees, feel that stretch at the back of your legs. Just let your head hang down. Roll up. Big deep breath in. And roll down. Let's walk our hands out to the mat. Knees down, toes together, knees apart. Sit back on your heels, stretching the arms out in front, forehead down to the mat, and breathe. And then hips come forward, knees together, hips come forward. Just let your hips go down as far as feels comfortable. If that hurts your lower back, just bring the hips up slightly until you can't feel it pinching. Breathe, push yourself away from the floor. Okay, tucking the toes under, lift the hips up to the ceiling, draw the heels down, walk the feet and the hands in together. And then reaching up, grab hold of the wrist, pull that wrist over, pushing your hip in the opposite direction. Feel that lovely stretch down the side of the body. And breathe. And over the other side. One big deep breath in, and all done.